Hello, my name's Tommy. I'm with Conde System Tech Support, and today we're going to go over cleaning the feed belt on your Sawgrass printer. The reason that you want to keep your feed belt clean is because there might be smudges or leftover ink on your feed belt, and that can cause vertical banding in your prints. The things to clean your feed belt that we're going to need is denatured alcohol, which if you live in California or New York, it's illegal to purchase denatured alcohol there without a license, so you can use 91% or higher isopropyl alcohol. We're also going to need a lint-free rag. Now, in order to clean your feed belt, first thing we're going to do is we are going to power the printer off. You want to make sure it's powered off and it's unplugged so that we don't have any accidents. All right. So first thing that we're going to do is these gray latches right here. We're going to squeeze them in and we're going to pull down. Now these gray rollers right here, this is what we're going to use to move the feed belt so that we clean the whole thing. All right. Next we're going to do is we're going to open our lid. Now when you open your lid, you'll notice that you'll see the lines that contain the print ink. Watch out for those lines. Don't want to make a mess or anything else like that. All right, so we're going to take our denatured alcohol, we're going to apply it to our rag, and we're going to wipe the feed belt. Now if you have leftover ink or any smudges on your feed belt, it should be gone. The smudges should be gone. If there's ink on your feed belt, you should see it on your rag. What you're going to do next is these two rollers right here is you're going to take your thumb and you're going to push down to move the feed belt so that way we can clean the whole thing. All right, once we're done, we're going to close the top lid. We're going to close the back lid. We're going to plug our power back in. We're going to turn our printer back on. And we're going to run a nozzle check to make sure everything's still in order before you run your test print. And then you can run your test print to make sure there's no more ink or anything else like that on your feed belt. My name is Tommy. I'm with Conde Tech Systems. We're open 7 days a week, 365 from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And our number is 1-800-826-6332, option 2. If you have any questions or concerns while doing this process, please give us a call. Thank you, and I hope you find this video helpful.